We're about to go into the most batshit crazy phase of human existence over the next few years. And the way to make money out of it is crypto. We ain't seen nothing yet. I don't think it's this cycle where it gets really big. What's about to happen is really going to happen in 25 and 26. And people don't know how to invest in it. The normies in equity land, right? But it's going to change every business. It's going to bifurcate everybody. The people who adopt it and the people who don't. And I just feel that the bubble, the next bull market of the 27 to 30, 31 is going to be beyond our comprehension of what a bubble is.
We are entering the most transformative phase in human history, and according to Raoul Pal, the CEO of Real Vision, crypto is the key to turning this chaos into unimaginable wealth. By 2030, everything we know, jobs, businesses, even money, could change in ways we can't yet fathom. Pal believes crypto is the best way to build wealth before these changes unfold. Over the next 5 years, he predicts adoption will continue to rise, and holding solid assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum could be your smartest move for massive gains. Stick around until the end of the video as Raoul Pal reveals his strategy for profiting from the explosive growth of both crypto and AI. Before we continue with the rest of the video, do check out daily 5-minute crypto newsletter with all the latest crypto and Bitcoin news. It's a fantastic analysis of on-chain crypto data and breakdowns, and the best part is it's absolutely free. They'll cover expert predictions, breakdowns of on-chain crypto data, and any breaking news you need to know, all in a nutshell. Click the first link in the description and enter your email to join over 50,000 others in becoming a better crypto investor right now.
We're about to go into something I call the economic singularity, which is when we don't know what a fucking economy looks like past about 2030, 2032. We don't know what jobs we have, what a business is, what economies, how they work, who gets paid, who makes the money, is it the agents, is it... Right, all of this stuff is going to hit by about 2030. And so my view on all of this is we basically have 5 years left. I've been saying it was 6 years, but we've got 5 years left to make as much money as possible before everything we understood about the world is going to change. And we don't know anymore. It's not saying we can't make money. We just have no fucking clue because it's not the same way that we made it in the past. Crypto adoption is only going to go up. Hoarding cash, maybe not the right thing. Hoarding crypto, yes. And you and I know it's very volatile, takes some balls to do, but if you've got a long enough time horizon, it works out just fine. So crypto feels like the right answer, even in a world of AI. You know, we all know that agents will use crypto payment rails, they have to. So I just think you might as well own those assets. It's easy if you just own Bitcoin because you don't have to think about anything else. Other stuff you have to asset allocate and think, is this going to survive? Are people going to build on it? All of that stuff. So it's more difficult, but you make more money by figuring that stuff out. So I just think from that, that's the easiest opportunity of all. You could just literally do nothing and own Bitcoin and come back in 6 years' time and you'll be much better off than you are. So my profit taking is into lifestyle chips. That's why I've got this house. This was the end of my hedge fund era, the start of Global Macro Investor. I made money and I bought this. I built it from scratch. I designed it myself on paper and built it. So that nobody can take away, right? So that's what I call a lifestyle chip. It enhances my life. It's on the beach here in Little Cayman. It's amazing. So part of it is that. Take profits into things that change your life. I think there's a bit of a poison on X, crypto Twitter, which is trading. Yeah, I went to hang out with a friend of mine. The guy's amazing. I can't mention him by name. He invested $2 million in Bitcoin at $3. So that's, if you work it out today, if he hadn't cashed in any of that, it's $66 billion. So let's assume he took slice profits all the way. It's still $10 billion. He has never been out of the market or done anything. What he's done, like I did last cycle, was actually just buy the lows because your view is a longer term.
What is your Raoul Pal legend motivation or advice for that kid that's watching it that doesn't know what the fuck to do in this new world?
Just buy a bit of Bitcoin, a bit of ETH, a bit of Solana, and do 80% that. It's the same advice, right? And I don't want to hear you're bleating on that I can't make the 100x, because I want to prove to yourself, young 20-year-old, that you can make the 20x and go and fuck around with whatever you want with the other 20%. Learn the game. The game of investing is not easy. I've been doing it for 35 years. It is not easy. So you need to learn the game. And so don't nuke your book, because this space goes up over time. But all you have to do is do nothing and you'll make money. But it's not enough money. I get that. It's not going to pay your mortgage. I get it. But I don't want you learning by failing on with everything. I want you to fail with a part until you learn the game. And if you get it right and you knock it out of the park and you make a few hundred X's, great. But I don't think you can do it all in one go, because I think most people I've seen do that have failed. And the only people you see on X are the people who didn't fail. And there's very few, there's a handful, there's maybe 20, 30, there's not everybody's GCR, right? There's 50,000 GCRs, maybe 100,000, maybe 500,000 GCRs that never made a penny. They all lost all of their stake at the casino. Don't lose your stake at the casino. This casino is rigged in your favor. It goes up. That's bananas. The greatest rigged casino game of all time, and people are fucking it up.
The intersection of AI and crypto is reaching a groundbreaking moment. For the first time, AI interactions are making their way into the human economy, driving innovations like AI-controlled wallets and tokens linked to their activity. However, much of the hype today is far from the true potential of autonomous AI agent. Real AI agents, capable of independently solving problems and executing complex strategies, aren't here yet. When they do arrive, they're expected to revolutionize industries, giving birth to entirely autonomous corporations that operate without human involvement. Raoul Pal highlights that while current AI financial tools excel in short-term strategies, they fall short in predicting long-term outcomes. For him, the real opportunity lies in leveraging longer-term horizons. This is just the beginning of an incredible era, but mastering both AI and crypto will be key to success. Let's return for more insights from Raoul Pal.
I'm a big believer that memes and tokenized attention are probably the purpose of humans once AI comes. We've got fuck all else to do. We might as well gamble on attention, right? Because that's gambling on being humans. The issue is it becomes harder and harder to choose the one. To hold, right? Now, the one easy one is Doge. Doge has outperformed Bitcoin by 500% since it came out. Nobody wants to admit this, but Doge has been the hardest currency known to mankind, which is fucking brilliant. So there are some memes that persist and most won't. Will SPX 6900 persist? No fucking way. I don't even see it on my Twitter feed. How the fuck's it going to persist forever when the S&P is trading at 10,000? It's just irrelevant. Pepe? Sure. Whiff? Possible. Bonk? Possible. But it's a derivative of Doge, so you kind of want to earn Doge. So I think he's right. Memes are not going away. Some will be super persistent over time, and most, like all attention, fleeting.
So basically, mid-curve is in and everything else is out.
No, it depends what time horizon. Yeah. Well, I think Doge is probably the least mid-curve thing. It's like, you go with it and say, the easiest thing I do is like, and this is part of the AI tokens, just go on to CoinMarketCap, front page, you are newbie coming into the market, Bitcoin at the top 100,000, ETH at 3,000, whatever, and then XRP at $2.30. You're going to go, oh fuck, I can buy tons of that. And the next one down is Doge, and you'll go, I've heard about that. And Doge, you go, Doge, Elon, meme, buy, right? But if you play it out to the right curve, it's like, it's already outperformed Bitcoin, it's in existence. It could be used as the payment system for X. And if memes are persistent, this is OG meme, like CryptoPunks are OG NFTs. And so they'll probably persist over time and probably accrue value. I've been deep down the AI rabbit hole for at least 2 years now. What we've seen is a meme going from semi-autonomous, semi-conscious AIs and spreading into the human economy, where we jump hold of it and go, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, isn't this amazing? Right, that is a fucking moment in time that will never be repeated. It's the first time that's ever happened, where AI has infected humans with a mind virus. This is the most cutting-edge technology the world has ever seen.
The main thing I want to get your take on is the mid-curve, like the mid-curve framing of why you think what's happening in AI crypto is mid-curve, and how you classify mid-curve.
There is a small group of people that participate in every narrative. And it's most of crypto Twitter, right? Mm-hmm. The trading community. There's two types. There's the long-term buy and holders and the trading community. And they rotate between memes. So if you look at the holders of most of the AI tokens, it's the same holders of WIF 9 months ago, right? It's all the same people. So you're just recycling capital in waves. And that's okay. But what I saw from crypto Twitter was like, everyone's like, oh my God, my mind's blown about AI. I'm like, fuck, are you actually seeing what's happening in real AI? I'm like, it's like watching a film with the dubbed voice, but it's 2 years lagged. Mm-hmm. And I'm like, this is the issue I had. So everybody was overthinking what was there. Oh my God, these are agents, these are going to do all these things, it's going to change the world. It was a false narrative. So a lot of people think I'm being mid-curve because I'm arguing against it. I get that. But the reality is, honestly, always go to CoinMarketCap homepage and tell me anybody outside of crypto Twitter is going to buy a single one of these. Zero chance. 0.0. So you go to the front page, you see all the big tokens, of which AI is none of them. Then you have to find a tab at the top that says sectors. You then have to click on that. Mm-hmm. There's 12 different sectors. Then you have to go through. It's never going to happen.
Raul Pal describes the hype surrounding AI crypto as mid-curve, a term used to refer to overly complex thinking that misses the core issue. He believes that much of the excitement about AI tokens is fueled by a small group of crypto traders recycling capital between trends. According to Pal, the hype largely comes from a misunderstanding of true AI and an overestimation of these tokens' potential. For Pal, the narrative surrounding AI crypto is misleading, disconnected from genuine AI innovation. He emphasizes that the real opportunity lies in the long-term adoption of crypto, particularly solid assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, for wealth building as the world moves towards significant change. He encourages us to take the time to grasp the fundamentals of both crypto and AI, stay disciplined, and focus on strategies that will work in the long run. For more Daily Dose Crypto News, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.